Do you sometimes feel that people just don't pay attention when you speak? Would you like to learn to communicate in a way that really commands attention? Many people believe that the ability to really engage people when you speak is a natural talent that you either have or you don't. But in reality, capturing people's attention is a skill that can be developed just like any other. Powerful communication is not just about what you say, but the context in which you say it. When you start by framing what you're about to say in an interesting way, people will naturally want to know more. So before you speak, think about whom you're speaking to. What do they care about? What's important to them? If you can put what you're saying into context to show your audience straight off the bat that it really does matter to them, they'll be hanging on your every word. It's also important to use non-verbal signals to show that what you are saying is worth listening to. Stand upright, use confident body language, and vary your pace and tone of voice. Show that you mean what you say and are willing to stand behind it. In fact, that may be the most important way to capture other people's interest, to show that you are interested yourself. After all, if you don't care about what you're saying, why should anyone else? Often the people who have the most trouble commanding attention are the ones who don't believe their ideas are worth listening to. So do yourself the courtesy of giving your ideas the same respect and curiosity you would give to other people's ideas. Find the aspects that excite you, and dig deeper. When you're genuinely excited about something, people will feed off your enthusiasm. Of course, it's all very well to read this advice and even to agree with it. But changing ingrained habits doesn't happen just because you decide to do it. To really change your pattern of communication, you need to work on it at the level where habits are formed, the unconscious mind. That's where hypnosis comes in. Talk So People Will Listen is a self-hypnosis audio session that will help you give more value to your ideas so that you can communicate them with calm conviction, in a way that really engages your listeners. As you relax and listen repeatedly to your session, you'll notice that you consistently capture people's attention when you speak. No longer need to repeat yourself to make yourself heard. Naturally tailor your communication to your audience. Have more confidence in the value of your ideas. Feel calmer and more at ease communicating with others. Download Talk So People Will Listen now, and give your ideas the captivated audience they deserve. You can listen on your computer or device or via our free app, which you can access when you have completed your purchase. Please click the link below this video for more details.